Here we are at Medical Taiwan. I'm your host Betty Chen, and we're going to take you to see the latest development of the medical industry. Now we're at UMAX Technology, and standing next to me is Abigail. Hello, Abigail.
Hi.
Hello. So first of all, could you please give us a brief introduction of your company and your star products?
Hi. Of course, my name is Abigail, and our company established from 2002, and we have 18 years experience, and we have the products for whole series from the material to the product and also the machine, and you can see that our product.
And I also understand, for example, you have some special materials like the fabric. Could you please tell us a bit more?
We have the fabric that we have the test report, and it's very high quality. And if you need it, we can send you our test report.
Good. And I also understand you have manufactured masks, right?
Yes, we have manufactured the masks, and we have the medical masks and also the customized masks. You can put on your OEM logo and your pattern, your own design pattern.
So it's customized, so you can design the patterns or the colors as you wish. And I also heard that you have one very special kit or instrument that can help detect COVID-19. Could you please tell us a bit more?
Okay. And we have the detection instrument and also the detection regions. And so if you are working in the government or hospital and you want to make people to examine if they have the COVID-19 or if they are healthy, and you can buy from us.
So we understand that a lot of people in the world are still facing the threat of COVID-19, but with the help of your outstanding products, I believe that we will definitely win over this battle, right? So thank you very much. Thank you, Abigail, for having us.
Thank you, and hope to receive your inquiry and hope to work with you.
Thank you.